Welcome to the tutorial for the IceDuo Clear Ice Machine. The IceDuo can make both crystal clear ice as well as two sizes of regular type bullet ice. With the IceDuo, cocktail enthusiasts can elevate their cocktail creations and enjoy professional quality drinks from the comfort of their own homes. The IceDuo package includes two standard ice cube molds and two ice sphere molds. Diamond and Collins molds are available for purchase separately. Place IceDuo on a flat, even surface, such as a table. Ensure there is at least 5 inches (12 centimeters) of clearance around the machine. Let's quickly review the major areas of the IceDuo. The clear ice chamber is located at the top rear of the machine, while the bullet ice compartment is in the front. The drain hole for the bullet ice compartment is located in the bottom of the unit. And here is the control panel. From left to right, you will see the buttons for small bullet ice, large bullet ice, clear ice or detach, auto clean, and power. Please note the 4 segments around the clear ice detach button. These lights show the stage of the clear ice making or detaching process. Also, above the bullet ice settings are lights to alert to refill or drain the bullet ice compartment. Small bullet ice button. Single press to start making small bullet ice. Long press to cancel the operation. Large bullet ice button. Single press to start making large bullet ice. Long press to cancel the operation. Button for clear ice making and detaching. Single press to start making clear ice. Press and hold to start the detach process. Auto clean button. Press the button to clean the bullet ice compartment. Power button. Single press to turn on the machine. Long press to turn it off. Now, let's make some ice. Place the clear ice molds in the chamber. Make sure that the molds are in the correct direction. Fill the chamber with water up to the marked level. Ensure that the molds are fully filled with water and have no air bubbles. Excess water will drain through the hole in the corner. By the way, you should not use coffee, cola, or liquids other than water to make ice with this machine. Any other liquids used may cause blockage in the internal tubes. Close the lid and press the clear ice button on the control panel. You will notice the first indicator for clear ice will start flashing. Once the clear ice is ready, all 4 indicators will light up and you will hear 3 beeps. Do not open the lid when IceDuo is running the clear ice making process. How long does it take to make 1 round of clear ice? It typically takes about 8 to 12 hours to make the clear ice, depending on the ambient temperature. This is much faster than making large clear ice in a regular freezer, which usually takes over 36 hours. Detach. Once the clear ice is ready, press and hold the clear ice button to start the detaching process. This process gently heats the molds, melting any excess ice around them, making it easier to remove. It takes about 15 minutes and you will hear 3 beeps when it's done. If it is difficult to remove the molds, wait a few minutes or repeat the detaching process. By the way, you should not run the detach process if there is no ice in the chamber. Doing so could cause the machine to overheat, which may result in damage to the machine and pose a safety risk. Now, let's take out the clear ice. Open the lid. Remove the molds and separate the 2 halves. You have made clear ice. You can easily trim or shave the burrs and get a perfectly shaped clear ice block. Here's a tip for opening the molds. Separating the 2 halves from the bottom is easier than from the top. Sometimes, you may notice a layer of frost on the clear ice blocks. Simply wipe it off or immerse the ice in water to reveal its clarity. Surface of the ice cubes and Collins spheres ice made by the machine have some small pits, which is a normal phenomenon and does not affect the density and use of the clear ice. If you don't need to use the ice block, you can put it in an airtight bag and keep it in the freezer. When using the Collins mold, ensure the lid's protruding part is positioned facing upward. How to make bullet ice with IceDuo. Remove the tray, fill the water tank up to the limit line, and replace the tray. Then select either small bullet ice or large bullet ice. It takes 7 minutes to make 1 round of small bullet ice and 9 minutes for large bullet ice. Each round produces 9 pieces of bullet ice. The first several rounds of bullet ice might be smaller than usual, as the machine takes time to cool down the water temperature. In about 90 minutes, you will have a full tray of bullet ice like this. Please note that when you open the bullet ice door, some water may appear on the edge of the window or drip onto the table. This is normal. If you have purified water, you can also make clear bullet ice. Add purified water to the tank. When IceDuo is on and no process is running, press the small bullet ice and large bullet ice buttons for 3 seconds to switch to the clear bullet ice mode with a beeping sound and the 2 buttons flashing green light for 3 times. Press the small bullet ice or large bullet ice button to make the desired size of clear bullet ice. The button you select will light up with green backlight and keep flashing until the tray is full of ice. It takes 12 minutes to make 1 round of small clear bullet ice and 15 minutes to make the large one. How to switch it back to the regular bullet ice mode. Long press the button to cancel the bullet ice making process if it is running. Then press and hold the 2 bullet ice buttons for 3 seconds. It will switch to the regular bullet ice mode. In regular bullet ice mode, the backlight of the 2 buttons is white. Can I make bullet ice while clear ice is being made? If you select the bullet ice function, when the machine is making clear ice, the machine will finish making a full tray of bullet ice first and then continue the clear ice making. So we cannot make both bullet ice and clear ice at the same time. IceDuo has a cleaning function. Add fresh water to the bullet ice water tank and press the Auto Clean button. The machine will automatically clean the bullet ice compartment. To clean the clear ice chamber, simply wipe it with a cloth and rinse it with clean water. How to drain the water. To keep IceDuo clean, we recommend draining the water after each use. In the clear ice chamber, pull the plug to drain the water. It will flow out from the bottom of the machine. If you use water from a previous round to make clear ice, the transparency of the ice may be affected. To drain the water from the bullet ice compartment, pull the plug located in the water tank. How to clean the molds. We recommend rinsing the silicone molds and keeping them dry after each use. Indicators and alerts. There are 2 indicators on the control panel. If there's too much water in the machine, the drain indicator will light up and beep. If there's no water but the ice-making process is running, the fill water indicator will light up, also with a beeping sound. The machine will also alert you in the following situations. The ice tray is not in the machine when bullet ice function is running. The ice tray is full of bullet ice. The clear ice is fully made. The detach process is complete. That's all for the IceDuo tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section or contact us by email.